Hi, I'm Kevin Borland, and I'd like to share with you something I've been working on for the past few years. I've created an autosomal DNA matching database linked to a powerful suite of tools that allows users to reconstruct and share DNA kits representing their deceased ancestors. You can also add biographical information to the public ancestor profiles so that members who match them can easily learn about their connections. Since this video is part of a collection that highlights innovation, let's dive into some of the most interesting and unique tools on the site. When I conceived the idea for Borland Genetics, I envisioned bringing a bunch of DNA kits to a family reunion. I wanted to develop software that could take the attendees' raw data and reconstruct the DNA of their shared ancestors to the maximum extent possible. The site's flagship tool, the Creeper, is a virtual reconstruction assistant that achieves this goal by verbally walking the user through a dynamic individualized workflow based on his or her specific configuration of available DNA resources. Throughout the process, through detailed multi-stimulus interaction, the Creeper empowers the user to become an expert in DNA reconstruction. Some of my other favorite tools on the site are reverse phasing, the dark side tool, and visual phasing smart projects. Reverse phasing is a technique that allows you to phase your DNA into separate paternal and maternal kits using the DNA of a child rather than traditional phasing that uses an available parent, thereby opening the door to phasing for individuals who don't have a parent to test. The dark side tool allows you to select known maternal relatives in the database to assemble a DNA profile for your father using information from the non-matching copy of your chromosomes. A visual phasing smart project is an automated workflow that compares DNA of siblings and their children to create DNA kits for the siblings' parents and grandparents. Unlike traditional visual phasing, having 3 siblings is not required in this process. Furthermore, rather than relying on communication with living members, users can just examine the public profiles of their deceased matches and hop onto FamilySearch or Ancestry.com and do some records research to find the connection. I launched the website and matching database at RootsTech London in October 2019, and since then we've grown to 10,000 kits as of the time of the recording of this video. As with all resources like this, the value to the community increases as more members participate. I invite everyone watching to create a free account at borlandgenetics.com and upload your DNA kits and try out some of the tools. Most of the tools are free, although some of the workflow management tools and advanced features require a subscription, which helps offset the cost of the cloud computing that powers the site. Have fun at RootsTech 2022.